Okay, Vishnu. So yes, in the last class we discussed about the monohybrid and the dihybrid. So yes, law of dominance and law of segregation is clear, right? Now we have the third law, which is known as the law of independent assortment. So in the monohybrid cross, just tell me, did you see any new character of the offspring in the F2 generation? Did you see?
Yes. No, 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 no.
Parents
No.
were tall and dwarf, right? So did you
Yes.
see any child which has a medium height or like some different height
No,
as
no,
like except the
no.
tall and dwarf?
It
Okay.
was either
S-
taller
Yes.
dwarf.
So
Yeah.
it means the variation are high or low?
Low.
No, because no new character is coming in the
No, no
monohybrid.
new recombinants. Yes.
Yes. But if I talk about the dihybrid, so did you see any new character except the
Yeah, we saw six.
Okay, so we got the ratio of 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. So this is parental. This is also parental, but this is not parental. This is new character, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is so we can say the law of independent assortment we can clearly see in this again dihybrid cross. Law of independent means one gene is completely independent to get separate and it can combine with any other character of any other parent. That's why it is showing recombinant, na? Okay, some people say, sir, it was also there in the monohybrid, but actually there is no recombinant, na? So there is no recombinant, so that's why we are ignoring the law of independent assortment here. Law of
Mm.
independent assortment will be only seen when
The
you get
dihybrid
the
cross.
recombinants.
Yeah.
Okay, and why you are getting these recombinant? Because
The
one character. Because
dihybrid saccharide.
yes, so when the one gene is completely independent to combine with the other parental gene, that's why it can give the parental. I mean, it can give the recombinant. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why we are getting recombinant here. It is all because of the law of independent assortment. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose,
So the law
suppose,
of
suppose,
independent assort. Okay.
suppose,
Yeah.
one second. Suppose this is father and this is mother, right?
Mm-hmm.
There are two character and there are two character, and these gametes are completely independent to combine with any of the gametes of female.
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure or not?
Yes, I am.
So it is completely independent, and when they are going to get combined, suppose this character is something and this character is something, so when they combine, so you will get a recombinant baby, yes or no?
Yes.
So this is known as the law of independent assortment. Okay,
So
got it.
the law of independent assortment is when independent traits can like
Yes, actually, if we can say that law of independent assortment is that when they are completely independently segregating, separating, and then they are going
oh
to combine with any like other parent, character of other parent.
oh
Okay,
okay. Wait, hold
so
on. Let me write that. I think I wrote it wrong.
yeah, you can write that.
Okay. Oh god. Okay. Um. So it's when two
Okay,
independent traits.
did you write about the law of dominance in the last class?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Two independent traits of parents come together to form recombinants.
Yes, no, I'm writing. I'm going to show you. Yes,
Okay.
please write that. It states that the in the inheritance of two pair of contrasting character, write that.
Oh,
It
one
this
second.
law
Okay.
of
Let me.
independent. I'm writing here.
Yeah.
Law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. So this law says that in the in the inheritance of two pairs of two pairs of contrasting two pair of contrasting characters. So the gene can we say like at that time gene was considered as a factor, right? Gene name right now we usually call the fragment of DNA as a gene, but that time it was considered as a factor. Okay, so we can say the factors of each pair, the factors of each pair of character, the factors of each pair of characters segregate segregate independently segregate independently, okay, of the factors of other pair of character. This is what you have to write.
Very independently
So
of the.
the main line is the one gene of each pair of character is completely separating or independently to the factor of the other. This is known as the law of independent assortment.
Okay.
Okay, you saw that like there is a round and yellow, right? RRYY. So
Mm-hmm.
they are together, but now they are completely independently because of the so they are forming this. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Completely independent, and they are combining with the other.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the law of independent assortment. So segregating independently, it is the law of independent assortment. Any doubt
Yeah.
in this?
Okay. Mm-mm.
Okay. Actually, in the dihybrid cross, you got
Mm-hmm.
so many genotype. If you remember, in the box,
Mm-hmm.
so many genotype. Genotype means that RRYY. Remember, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. You get all so many genotype. Genotype in the
Mm-hmm.
dihybrid cross. Just check your notes.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm agreeing.
So you have to remember, like the phenotypic ratio is 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
no doubt. Everybody know that. Okay, but if I talk about the genotypic ratio, so genotypic ratio it should be, you have to remember 4.
Phenotypic
So
ratio.
phenotypic ratio means, like, can I say this was round and yellow, this was round and green, this was
Wait.
wrinkled and yellow, and
Okay. So
this
phenotypic
was
ratio.
and
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
was the
Yeah.
wrinkled and the green.
Yeah.
Wrinkled
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
green, I
Mm-hmm.
told you, no, these are the recessive, these
Yeah.
are the new. So this is completely observable character, na, phenotypic, I told you.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember.
Can you see my height? Yes, this is my phenotype, but can you see my gene? No,
No.
this is genotype. So genotypic ratio you have to remember 4, so it is the ratio 4 ratio 2 ratio 2 ratio 2. Like first write 4, then write 2 4 times, and then write 1 4 times. Okay.
What is? Does that equal 16? No.
Yes, total 16 it is.
What?
This is the genotypic ratio, na?
Oh yeah, yeah. They equal 16. 12. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay.
These are the genotypic ratio.
4,
Okay. 2 ratio 2
2.
ratio 2 ratio 2, then 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Because so many genotype you just saw in the last class, remember? So many genotypes came, 16 genotype, and mostly are different. That's why this ratio you got. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to, so if I ask you the genotypic ratio, dihybrid cross, so you have to say 4, 2 ratio 2 ratio 2 ratio 2, 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now, suppose if you see a tall boy, okay? If you see
I
a
wish that was
tall,
me.
oh, okay, you are tall.
I wish
Okay,
that was me.
okay. So,
I
if
said
you
I
see,
wish. I'm not tall. I'm not tall. I'm only
okay,
5'5".
okay. So, if you see a tall boy, okay, so can you guess that the tall boy was homozygous or the heterozygous, because both are tall? Homozygous means capital T, capital T. This is tall, and this tall is capital T, small t. This is also tall because of the law of dominance, right?
Mm-hmm.
So can you guess that guy is completely homozygous or heterozygous? How will you determine? How will you
Hmm.
determine which guy is dominant and which guy is completely homozygous?
I mean, I guess looking at his genes, I guess.
How can you see the gene?
Microscope.
No, you can't see. You
What?
can see the gene, but you can't see the allele. These are the alternative forms. These are the. Did you see capital T in his blood?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you saying, Vishnu?
Okay, no, I guess his parents, I guess.
These are the alternative form which we have made.
Yeah,
Okay, we have made all these things capital T, capital T, capital R,
yeah,
but in reality there is no capital T in our body.
and I know. I was just joking.
Okay, okay. So if I talk about yes, I want to find out which is homozygous and which is heterozygous. This is homozygous, both the allele are same, and this is heterozygous, and both are tall. So now, if you want to find out like that guy is homozygous or heterozygous, so you have to conduct a cross. Just conduct a cross. You have to take small t. So if you
Mm,
take a pure recessive, okay, then what will happen? They will produce the gamete like this.
yeah,
Separation, right? Okay. So
I
when they
think
have
they're. I think they're all. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
one second.
Mm-hmm,
So when you get the babies, so all will be capital T, small t, capital T, small t,
All
capital
of
T.
them are tall. All of them are
So
tall.
all are tall, and this can only be possible because this is
I have
completely small.
two
B-
homozygotes.
Yes, so this can only happen when the parent was completely homozygous. That's why all the babies are tall, even if one is completely recessive, right?
So okay, okay, okay. So
This
it
female this female
is
is
short.
completely recessive, short, and when they are
Yeah.
combining with this parents and all are tall, it means definitely he was homozygous, na? He
Oh.
had both the capital T. That's why all babies are tall, and this remain hidden.
That's smart.
Yes. Okay. Now, so this is the
Oh, I
homozygous.
understand. Okay. Okay. So let me.
Now,
So
एक second, just
two.
one second, just Vishnu, 1 second. This is the small t. So when you conduct a cross, we don't know this is heterozygous. We are just going to get the result. So you will get capital T, small t, because their parent gametes, and small t. So here you will get, so you will get here capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and you will get small t, and small t. So here you are getting two tall and two dwarf. So two dwarf can only because this mother is completely dwarf, but two
Mm-hmm.
babies are completely dwarf because one character is going from the father. So it is definitely indicating parent like male father was homozygous or the heterozygous.
Hetero.
Hetero, because now dwarf babies are also coming, and
Mm-hmm.
dwarf babies can only come if the one mother is completely recessive. So a
Yes.
baby dwarf can only possible when the dad is giving the dwarf allele, right? When the
Mm-hmm.
dwarf allele, then only baby will be dwarf. So
Yes.
it means the ratio would be here 2:2, cancel out 1:1. But here there is no ratio because all are tall. If all are tall, there is no dwarf, so there is no ratio. Some people say, yes,
Yeah.
sir, there is a ratio, 1:1 ratio. Array, why are you saying 1:1 ratio? Because all are same, so there is no ratio. Ratio take place for the two different thing. There is no other different thing. So when you
Yeah.
get no ratio, it means one parent was homozygous.
Yes.
And when you get the ratio equally when you get, then it was the heterozygous. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is known as the test cross. Can you tell me why its
Okay.
name is the test cross?
Because you're testing it.
Because we are testing like the parent was homozygous or the
Homozygous or
heterozygous.
heterozygous. Yeah.
So in the test cross, we have to conduct a cross with the that particular gene with
Punnett
the,
square.
no. This is what?
Oh, recessive. Homozygous
Yes,
parents.
homozygous recessive. So whenever
Yeah.
you want to find out that tall is homozygous or heterozygous, so you have to conduct a cross with the recessive parent, completely recessive.
Mm,
And if you are getting all are same, that was homozygous, it is a test cross. And if you are not getting the all the same, then then it was the heterozygous. Got it now?
yes.
So this is the test cross. Okay. Any doubt in the test cross?
Nope. I got it.
Okay. Now we are coming to the incomplete dominance.
Huh?
So incomplete dominance.
What does that mean?
I'm coming to that. Just suppose if there is a school and principal is very strict, okay? So student will remain hidden, student will remain recessive because principal is
Mm-hmm.
dominant. He usually beat many student very strictly, he was very strict. And he usually
Isn't that child abuse?
what Cherryviers?
Isn't that child? Yeah, hitting children. What?
Okay, okay, okay. I'm coming to you. Just give me 1 minute. Incomplete dominance means now, suppose if that principal got injured, okay, and now that principal is not even walking in the no, not in the, not coming in the school, okay, and he is coming sometimes only, and he is becoming old also, and he's saying please everybody silent. Okay, so now now all these students will remain silent.
No.
No, because now the principal is not that active now. So now
Yeah, no one's scared of him.
can you say now principal is completely dominant or a little bit dominant?
A little dominant.
So if the principal is little bit dominant, so the all the student will show their real character. They will do
Yeah.
naughty activities, yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely. So it means when the principal is not that active, so of course all the student will show their real character. This is known
Mm-hmm.
as the incomplete dominance. So what is going to happen here? You will see. So we have a flower, and that flower name is the Antirrhinum majus.
Mm-hmm.
Flower name it is Antirrhinum majus. So that flower name Antirrhinum majus. Okay, and this flower is also known as snapdragon. Snapdragon, and this flower is also known as the dog flower. This flower name is also known as dog flower, and you can say snapdragon. Okay, and this is the Antirrhinum majus.
Okay,
So
can I have a question?
yes,
So incomplete dominance is when the dominant trait starts to lose its dominance and the recessive trait comes out.
what you said, can you explain again? Can you just ask again?
So like incomplete dominance is when the
Wait,
dominant
wait,
trait.
wait a second. Wait. I'm coming to you. You will get the idea. Don't worry. Okay, I'm coming to you. See, if you have a, so it is take place in the this flower. Okay, the flower name is the Antirrhinum majus, Snapdragon, and the dog flower. Okay, it has a three names. Okay, so now this flower we have seen that there is a red flower, and red flower it is a one character only red. So
Mm-hmm.
we have to take two allele. So red is phenotype or genotype? Red color.
Genotype? No, no,
Red
no,
color.
no, 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 no. Phenotype, phenotype.
And
Sorry.
capital R is
Homozygous dominant.
homozygous genotype. Genotype, opposite of
Yeah.
phenotype. Okay. And
What?
we
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay,
genotype,
okay.
nah. I told you how
Yeah.
many times I have to so tall I am, it means it is phenotype, and if I'm writing allele, this is the genotype.
I know, but I said homozygous dominant.
Yeah, you were also right, but I asked something else.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, yeah. So that's
So
phenotype. I mean,
now
genotype, genotype.
we have the other flower which is white, and because it is recessive, this is dominant, I'm already telling you. So we have to take WW or we have to take small r. I told you. Now we
Tiny
have,
r's.
yes, we have to write small r, right? Tiny r's. Okay. So it is representing white. Okay. So now what in
Oh, are we conducting a cross again, or like
yeah,
something? Okay.
in genetics we
Test
have to
test
conduct the
cross.
cross.
Test cross.
It is not a test cross. It
What's
is
the
not a test cross.
difference?
Test cross, we were finding out that was the homozygous or heterozygous, and here we are not finding out the homozygous or heterozygous it is. Condition is same. So then everything will remain the test cross because we always take the other is small or small. Then everything will be test cross, right? According to you? No, this is not the test cross. In the test cross, we are going to find out the homozygous or heterozygous condition of this parent. But we already know it is homozygous right now. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah, but like, okay, okay. Elaborate. Explain. I'm gonna listen.
We don't know the,
Oh
like
no,
this
no, no.
person.
I get that. I'm talking about like, can you explain the?
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
This
coming.
cross. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, capital R and
Oh
capital R.
shit. I should probably. Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
this is the gametes. Have you had your dinner?
Hmm? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, it seems like you are still hungry
What?
because
No.
okay, fine.
Okay.
And this is the small r and the small r, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So these are what? These are parents' gametes or what? Or they are
yeah.
parent?
Parents' gametes.
Okay, and
Hmm.
these are parents only, right?
I said parents. Yeah,
Okay, and these are the gametes.
yeah.
So this gamete can combine with this.
What? No,
Why?
you can't do that.
Why? Why? I'm asking.
You can't combine with yourself.
What is? I mean, why? Why can't I do that?
That means is that asexual reproduction?
Very good. Bilkul right. Yes, exactly. You are right. Okay. So yes, a sperm can't combine with this sperm, right? And it can't give you the baby.
Wait, I'm so confused. It's
Uh,
wait, you can't do that, right? That doesn't make a baby.
yeah, definitely. So I was checking your information. Okay. So this
Was I
are
right?
yeah, completely right. Okay.
Hell
So
yeah.
this can
Okay.
combine with this, and this can combine with this. This can combine with
Yeah.
this, and this can
Okay.
combine with this, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
That's
you are
right.
going to get so capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. So just tell me, yes, right. You have seen many times before. So now, what should be the phenotypic character? All are what?
All are red,
Yes, all are red. You are very right. But
but
incomplete dominance it is. I told you when the principal is incomplete dominant, so all the student will show their character also, yes or no?
yes, that's correct.
So it means this capital R is not completely dominant. So this small r, which is responsible for the white color, so it will also show its
Hmm.
character.
Yeah. Oh, it's
So
pink.
it means both the character are going to mix
It's
red and
pink.
white.
It's pink.
Yes. So it means because of the incomplete dominance, this will become pink.
But
Okay.
sir, I have one question.
Yes.
How do you know if it's incomplete dominance?
Actually, we have conducted the cross. These are the phenomena which we have seen in the different species. These are the experiment. So
Okay.
you don't know how like this is incomplete or not. But yes, in the
Okay.
question itself, they will tell you
Okay.
this
Okay.
is showing incomplete because we
And
cannot
okay.
find out. We cannot find out.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I see.
So these are the experiment which was conducted on this flower, and then we have seen this
Mhm.
phenomena. Okay. And this also take place for the height. Suppose if the dad is very tall and if the mother is short, so sometime baby are medium height na.
Mhm.
Dad is tall, mother is short. But if the baby is there, so baby has a medium height. So can we say it is all because of the incomplete dominance?
Yeah.
Because some
So one of
characters
them is
come,
medium height. They're medium height.
yeah,
Okay.
baby will have the medium height. It is incomplete dominance, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this F1 generation all have a pink color, right?
Hmm.
This pink color is matching with the any of the parent.
No, they're
No.
either red or
Okay.
white.
Okay. So this is the first generation or second generation?
First.
Okay. Now take any of these two, male and female. So you
Okay.
got capital R, capital R, small r,
Hmm.
pink and
Yeah.
pink.
Yes.
So these offspring now become the parent.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So now, of course, they will give the gamete capital R, small r,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and they will give the gamete capital R, small r. So it can
Yes.
combine with this. It can
Yeah.
combine
So.
with this. It can
Mhm.
combine with this. It can combine with this. So you are
Oh,
going to get capital R, capital R, small r,
it's
capital
one
R.
ratio two ratio one.
Very good. Okay. So just tell me, this is capital R, capital R. Both are
That's
capital.
red.
So
That's
that would
red.
be, are you sure?
Yeah.
Why not
Right.
pink?
No, it can't be pink because
It doesn't have other character.
yeah,
Okay, this is only the main one parent, na?
yeah.
So
I
this
mean
is,
that's the yeah that's okay yeah that yeah, okay yeah that's red.
can you see that?
Yeah,
Capital R. So of
yeah,
course it should be
and
red.
then the other one's white because
Yes,
it's
this
both are small.
small r, yes, white. But
It's
these
pink
two,
still
yeah, because of which phenomena?
because the law of independent
Incomplete,
or incomplete
incomplete.
dominance.
Here
Incomplete
incomplete dominance
dominance.
is there, no? Small r is also showing some character because capital R is not
Yeah,
completely dominant. So
yeah.
it is pink, and it is also pink.
Hmm.
Now, if we, this is the phenotype,
Yes,
and this is the genotype, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. So if I show you the
Hmm.
phenotypic
Oh wait.
ratio,
Oh, it's 4:2:2 ratio. Oh no, it's 9:3:3:1.
this is monohybrid cross, not dihybrid.
Wait. Okay. Okay. Wait.
So
Are we doing red to pink?
red, pink, and
It's
white. So just tell me how many red you just saw in the F2
in
generation?
the F2.
One,
Okay. Okay. Two or one.
two,
One. One.
one only,
Two.
na? Pink,
Okay.
how
Two.
many?
No.
How many
One.
pink?
2:2:1. 1:2:2. 1:2:1. Sorry.
Okay, you should speak continuously, and then I will tell.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
one
Okay,
ratio two
pink,
ratio one.
pink are two. Okay, and then white. Okay,
Yes.
one. Okay, you simply
Yes.
used to. I mean, you simply say that 1:2:1. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll say that. Yeah.
Okay. And so this is the phenotype. And if I talk about genotype, how many different genotype you got here? One you get
Only
capital R,
there's three
other
different genotypes. Yes.
capital R, small r.
Then little r,
And
little r.
this ratio is also 1:2:1.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the only conduction, this is the only phenomena where phenotypic and genotypic ratio are
Are
same.
equal. Oh, I
Okay.
see.
In the
Incomplete
monohybrid,
dominance. Okay.
in the dihybrid, that was not same.
They're different. Yeah.
They were different. But here in the incomplete dominance, they are completely same 1:2:1. Got it?
Yes. Got it.
No, you didn't get.
Phenotypic. Yeah. I got it. I got it.
Phenotypic means that of character you can see red, pink, yellow, green, and
Yeah.
that
I
gene.
understood.
Okay. Any single doubt
Mm,
here in this?
nope. I got it. Let me just finish writing this.
So this incomplete dominance you will see in which flower? I told you the name.
Snapdragon.
Snapdragon, Antirrhinum majus, it is the biological name, and dog flower, it is also known as.
Yeah.
Okay. So Antirrhinum majus, Snapdragon, and and
Oh, dog flower, right?
dog flower. Okay.
Are same in incomplete dominance. Got it.
Okay.
Alright.
We have now codominance. We have the different phenomena, and this phenomena is known as the codominance. What does it mean actually? See, we just recently saw the incomplete dominance, and in the incomplete dominance, one allele was not completely dominant. That's why other is showing some character, right? And it became pink. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
But now, suppose then there is a school, principal is very strict,
Mm-hmm.
but some backbenchers are not afraiding at all. They have no fear of principal. They are just doing all the activities. They are making a whistle shh, and they are doing everything. They are just bunking the class. They don't have any fear. So now you have to tell me, in this school, which one is dominant? Principal is dominant, or students are dominant, or both are dominant, or both are recessive? What do you mean?
Okay.
Think.
Based on I mean,
Principal
I
is.
guess you could.
Yeah. Yes,
It
say.
depends on the circumstance, but I think both are dominant.
Very good. Completely right. Yes, because principal is also dominant, and some students don't have any fear, so students are also dominant here.
Mm-hmm.
In the previous case, principal become little less dominant, right? So that's
Yeah.
why student become the little expressible, right, from the
Yeah.
recessive. But now here principal is also dominant and students are also, sometimes it happens na,
Yeah. Yeah.
some student don't fear at all. They just give the reply directly. Who are you? Okay, whatever, you can do whatever you want to. I don't care at all. Isn't it? Some student reply very harshly.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, I
Yeah.
don't know.
I agree.
Maybe because of their parent, because their parents are in power. Suppose if
Yeah. Yeah.
if
Sure.
you have a friend and your friend is the son of one politician, so
He's the son of Modi.
yeah, so he doesn't care, right? Who is
Yeah.
going to? Okay, so now here we are going to discuss about the codominance. So you should know
Okay.
one thing. We have a ABO blood group,
Mm.
ABO blood group. So actually, you should know one thing. When I have a blood group A,
Mm-hmm.
so it means I have a glycoprotein. I
Mm-hmm.
have a glycoprotein A. It is a specific
Mm-hmm.
glycoprotein. If I have a blood group B, so it means I have a
Glycoprotein
glycoprotein
B.
B. If I have
Mm-hmm.
a AB blood group, it means I have both the type of glycoprotein, right?
Mm-hmm.
A and B. But if I have a blood group O, so it means there is no glycoprotein.
Is there no antigen?
No, it's not about the antigen. It's just the glycoprotein. It is some structure
Okay.
which is present. It's
Oh.
just for the identification.
Okay. Okay.
It
Yeah.
means
I see.
like if you have your school I card, your the friend has another school I card, but one friend has nothing. Okay, okay. So it is something like that. Okay, so for the ABO blood group, you have only the three allele.
Mm-hmm.
IA. This is one allele. It is just for the representation. Can you just see this A?
Mm.
It is just for representation. You have a other allele IB, and you have a other which is a
Yes.
small I. Okay,
Yes.
so only three alleles are there for the blood group. If I say if a person is blood group A, so can you tell me how many genotype can be there? Yes, for a one character, two allele are there. So what do you think?
Two.
Can you tell me what are these two?
A and AB.
A and AB.
Yeah.
Acha. Blood group is A, so why are you inserting B in that? My
Oh. Okay.
my
Okay.
my blood group is A, but inside I am AB. Very good.
Okay. Okay. Never mind. But oh, right.
If the blood group is A, so can we say that it should be IA and IA because both will lead to the A blood group?
Huh? Wait. 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 I'm kind of confused. What?
See, if I am tall, so you have to take capital T, or you can take capital T, small t.
Yeah.
Both are
Yes.
basically so I am doing the same thing here. If the blood group is A, so this is for the A blood group now. This is B blood group, and there's nothing. This is recessive. So for the A blood group, I have IA na two allele.
Mm. Okay. I see.
Okay, is there any other chances? Any other
No.
allele? Yes, we have law of dominance. IA small I. It is recessive.
Okay.
I
Yes.
told if
Yeah.
you are tall, you can have capital T, capital T.
Yeah. I got it.
So this
And
is
then
small, nah. This is a small I, right? It
and
is
then same thing for
recessive.
that. And then the
Yeah,
O is I. Little I. Little I.
got it. Is
Yes.
there any other option for a blood group?
No.
Are you
None.
sure? If I
No.
write like this, IA and IB, then what is the problem?
Well, that's not A. That's not the blood type A. That's blood type AB.
So should I write this or should I delete that?
Delete it. Delete the last part too. I mean, yeah, that part.
Okay. Okay, now you have to tell me about the blood group B. What type of
Okay.
allele can be there?
Capital I and then B and then capital
What?
IB.
What?
IB.
IB. Are you sure?
Yeah. Yes. I'm not done yet. There's IBI.
Okay. IBI. I is small or big?
Small.
Okay. Good. Okay. Now, is there any other option in here?
Oh no.
Why?
Because it's not B. It won't be B blood group
Okay.
B.
AB blood group. You have to
Uh,
guess. AB
blood
means
type.
AB means you have both. So what
So
do you think?
okay. So IA. Oh no. IBIA or IAIB.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So you are saying IA and IB.
Yes.
Okay. Any other option?
Yes.
Yes, still.
IBIA.
It is the same. It is same.
Oh, okay. Well, then
Okay.
there. I don't think there is one.
Then there is
There is not another one.
no more. Okay. Why can't I write this? Can we write this? IA, IB, and a small I.
No, that can because that's you can't have three alleles
Why? Why? Who told you we can't have three allele?
because this is the mono hybrid thing.
Hmm.
I
Very
I don't
good.
I
Very good.
forget the
Very good.
term.
You are completely right. Okay. We can't have three allele for a single character, right?
Yeah, it's a
For
mono
a
hybrid
sing
disaccharide.
for a single character, we have only two allele,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah,
Very good. This blood group
and
is
then
O,
it's I small I.
small I and small I, right?
Yeah, that's it. Nothing
Okay.
else.
Why it has a small I? Why not IA, IB, I small I or something?
Because they won't. That's not the glyco. It has no
They
glycoprotein.
yes, very good. Exactly. Shabash. Very well done. Okay, so out of the all these four, can you tell me which blood group has two allele and both the
Yeah.
allele are equally dominant?
Uh.
Guess.
AB.
AB, right? It means
Yeah.
this allele is AIA and this allele is IB. Both are different
Yeah.
and both are equally dominant
Yeah.
because this is for A glycoprotein, this is for B glycoprotein, and both are equally dominant. So can we say
Mm-hmm.
codominance means when both are dominant?
Mm-hmm.
So when both are dominant, so blood group, so codominance is shown by which blood group?
AB.
AB blood group.
Mm-hmm.
Any doubt in this codominance?
Nope.
And
I
this
understand.
codominance is also known as the multiple allelism. Why? Because we have here three allele for the blood groups total.
Mm.
So we usually have a two, but here we have three allele. Well, types of three allele available. So that's why its name also become the multiple allelism. Remember,
Allele.
multiple allelism.
Mm.
Okay. So multiple
Yeah.
allelism is also any doubt here?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So if I ask you how many alleles are there for the blood group total,
See, sorry. What?
how many total allele are available for the blood group?
Oh, three.
Okay. And how many are dominant one and how many are recessive one?
Two dominant, one recessive.
Okay. Good.
Wait.
Okay.
Is there like a ratio thing? Genotypic, phenotypic
No.
ratio?
I am going to conduct the ratio now. Suppose
Oh,
one
okay.
father is there,
Yes.
and and it has seen that this father is homozygous homozygous A,
Mm.
and there
So
is a
that means
mother,
it's IA.
and mother is also there, but mother is AB blood group. In the AB there is
Oh
no homozygous, there is no heterozygous, it is only
no,
one.
it's just one. Just like oh no.
So now you have to guess the blood groups of babies. Can you tell me
Oh
what would be
okay.
the blood group of
Yeah.
baby?
Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. Give
Yeah,
me a
sure,
second.
sure, sure, sure.
Let me like write it down. IA, and then this is what the mother is. IBIA. IAIB. Sorry. Oh, this will be really close because my dad. Okay. Um, I B. Okay. I can do this. Okay. So one. Okay. So one is A blood group, and that's homozygous. Another one is AB blood group.
Father is blood group A, so this blood group A simple meaning is IA, a homozygous, right? So
Oh
it
wait,
is a
what?
IIA.
Wait.
I
Hold on.
told you homozygous.
There's two A's and two ABs.
Babies you're talking about.
Yeah, there's so it's AA and AB. It's 1-1.
Okay, we can see that. So mother should be IAIB, right?
IAIB,
So
yeah.
so it can be separated, law of segregation.
Yeah. It's equal, like equal. Yeah, it's equal.
Okay. So IA,
Mm-hmm.
IAIB,
Mm-hmm.
IAIA, and
IAIB.
IAIB. It means here we can simply say that whatever, like parents also have the A and B AB blood group, right? A and AB,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
baby are also A and AB blood group, right?
Mm-hmm.
Completely same. Or like the parent
Mm-hmm.
was there and the offspring, they are completely same, ditto alike, right?
Yeah.
No
Mm-hmm.
new blood group and no nothing, but they are
Mm-hmm.
completely look like parental. Okay, fine.
Mm-hmm.
But now suppose if a father is of a O blood group, O blood group, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and if a mother is AB,
Oh, this is easy. A and B.
so now what do you think?
Cause this
Uh,
is me and my sister.
oh, okay. So
It's
what would be
AABB.
AABB? Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing else?
No.
Okay. So if father is O, it means small I. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And mother is AB, so I should write IA and IB.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So when they, of course, so they are going to produce the gamete. Law of what?
Yeah. Segregation.
Yes. So IA and IB. So this can combine with this,
Mm-hmm.
and this can combine with this.
Mm-hmm.
This can combine with this, and this can combine with this, right? So it will
Yeah.
become how much? So can we say IA small I,
It's AABB or
I
ABAB.
IB small I?
Yeah.
Okay. This is again IA small I, and this is
Yeah.
again IB small I, right?
So
IB small.
codominance always has equal, like, right?
This is not codominance. I mean, yeah, yes,
Oh,
this is the codominance, but right now we are just making a cross.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. So because of the dominant one, can we say this blood group is A?
A B A
Now
B.
this is B. This is again A, and this is B. So can we say here it means father and mother are completely different, and babies are also completely different, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
anything could be happen here. Father, mother, and offspring are completely same, but here
Mm-hmm.
father, mother, and offspring are completely different. So
Mm-hmm.
it means blood group can't decide like you are the pure parent or not. Can blood group decide you are parent or not? No.
Wait, what do you mean?
I mean, babies have different blood group, na? If
Yeah, yeah,
if
yeah.
someone is saying one baby is saying to his dad, I'm blood group A and you are O and mother is AB, so I'm not your son, I'm not your daughter. So
I don't think it works like
was
that.
he right? Yes,
No.
at that age he was completely right, but once he get to know about the genetics, then he was
Yeah, yeah.
okay. So yes, he can think na, कि if you are
Yeah,
O,
yeah.
if mother is AB, then how could I become the A? How? Yes, dad is saying because your mother has A small, so you are coming from only mother. That's why.
Yeah.
Oh, please. It's not like that. Okay. So,
Wait,
okay.
what? I didn't get it.
Nothing. Okay, fine. Actually,
Okay.
I just said, baby was asking to father, like, I'm blood group A, okay, and
Uh-huh.
you are blood group O, and my mother is AB. So,
Mm-hmm.
how could I become the A? He was asking to his dad. So
Mm-hmm.
father said, because your mother has A only. I mean AB, so one portion is A also, na? So
Mm-hmm.
that's why this A is coming to your body. So
Mm-hmm.
that boy asked, and what about you? There is no contribution of yours? So dad is saying, yes, there is no contribution. You are coming from your mother only.
Okay.
So that boy is looking like this. Oh, please.
Oh, please.
Okay, so like that.
Yeah, but we know it's recessive, so yeah.
Okay, so we have discussed about the incomplete dominance and the codominance here. Okay,
Yes.
and I told you one gene is responsible for one character,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
but there are certain genes
Mhm.
which is not only for one character but also for the other character. Some genes
Oh.
are very multi-talented, they can control more than one character.
Mhm.
Okay, like suppose if I say yes, many, like all people choose one profession as a career, right? If you are a
Mhm.
doctor, then you can do doctor things, right? If I'm a teacher, I can conduct the teacher thing. But suppose right now, suppose nahi, I'm reality, I'm engineer, and
Mhm.
I'm an engineer, okay, but still I'm a teacher, right?
Mhm.
So I
Mhm.
can do the engineering work and the teaching work together.
Mhm.
So it means
Mhm.
it is a one, I mean one human, but it can be two profession, engineering and the
Oh,
teaching.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I see. I see.
So
Yeah.
same thing, if you can do that. Suppose if there is a paleotropy, suppose maybe you become a doctor, okay,
Mhm.
and then when become a doctor, then you just join the politics, and you are politician also.
Mhm.
Many doctors are politician, right?
Mhm.
Isn't it?
I don't. I didn't know
In
that. I don't.
India, it is very common. Health minister. So health
Mhm.
minister should be doctor, na?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
I
health.
didn't know India had one. Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay. So we have the pleiotropy. So pleiotropy means simple when the one gene is controlling
One. Okay.
more than one character, right?
Yep. So you're dropping.
Pleiotropy. So actually, I'm going to show you. Like, do you know Mendel selected the pea plant, Pisum sativum?
Yeah. Peapod. Yeah.
Okay. So you should know in pea, one gene was controlling the starch synthesis because pea has a
Mhm.
starch. So he was controlling the starch synthesis and also the shape of the seed. So one gene was controlling two character starch as well as the shape of the seed. So this is the pleiotropy, yes or no? Because more than one
Yeah.
character. Same thing, one gene was controlling the flower color, and the same gene was like it has observed that. You have to learn this. And one and other was basically the seed coat color. Seed coat color. So it means there are two different, na, right? So one gene
Mhm.
was controlling starch synthesis and the shape of the seed, and the other gene was controlling flower color and the seed coat color, right? Got it?
Yes.
So we have these things. So this is known as the pleiotropy when the one gene is controlling more than one character. Any doubt in this?
Nope.
Okay. Now, so this is the pleiotropy, and I don't think so any doubt you have. Now we
Mm-mm.
have the last conducting cross, because rest, after that we are going to discuss the other portion. So it is a last cross, and this is known as the complementary gene.
Mhm.
Complementary gene means like it is something which is actually depending on the other. Suppose if
Mm.
you see, suppose if there is a dance, if there is a dance of male and female, okay, like they are doing it, they are giving the performance together, okay, so people
Mhm.
enjoy it a lot. People like they are doing some drama, and they are both are doing some acting, like we met in a college and then I fell in love and all these things, okay. So
Mhm.
finally all the audience are enjoying, okay.
Mhm.
But now suppose in one show female is absent, or suppose male is
Oh
absent. So now audience will enjoy now, because only one is there, and
no,
that one person is doing the acting and all these, but the other person is completely absent. So will you get the same result as when the both were there?
no.
No. So it means when the result will come, when both are present or when only one is
Yeah.
present.
Both. Both. Both.
So it means, can we say whenever they both are present, so they are actually complementing the each other effects, they are
Mhm.
increasing the efficiency of each other. Am I right or not?
You're right.
Okay. So same thing, like suppose if you are going in a wedding. Okay, so if we are going in a, like we are the child, but if I talk about mom and dad, so if mom is only coming, or if only dad is coming, so will you get that
It's not a wedding. It's not a wedding.
yeah, I mean wedding of someone else. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so wedding of someone else, and you are going, yes, you can consider the wedding of that. Okay, so it's not a wedding, right? You can't marry with yourself, isn't it? Like one person is saying, I'm favorite of myself, I like myself a lot, that's why I'm going to marry with myself. Doctors, I
Hmm.
mean, pandits and all these are saying, "Oh, very good, Shabash." I mean, In Hindi, usually we call
You
them.
you know what I call those people?
I don't know.
Idiots.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Okay,
Kidding.
but
All right,
suppose
complimentary gene. Complimentary gene.
maybe
Right,
he was
yeah.
very serious. He doesn't like anyone else except him. So maybe.
Narcissist. Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
So there is a sweet potato, and sweet potato is known as the biological name is Lathyrus odoratus. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this Lathyrus odoratus name is the sweet pea.
Mm.
Lathyrus odoratus, and it is a sweet pea. Actually, here I am going to tell you how they are complementing the each other effect. Suppose if there is a purple flower. So purple flower, it is a single character, but as I already showed you, it can be purple when only two people are there. So now
Yeah.
you don't have to take two allele. Actually, you have to take four allele. Why? Because here it is purple when two allele are there. I mean one P and one C are there, then only performance will be good. Like in a show, their performance is good. Why? Because both were present. So this color is purple. Why? Because at least with the P, at least one C is required. Then only it can be purple. If C is not there, then it cannot be purple. Getting something?
Yeah.
And it is white, so it is a recessive. So if it is a white, so of course it will be small p, small p, small c, small c. Okay. Now if you are conducting a cross, so just tell me in the
Mm-hmm.
first generation, what will be the gametes?
P P and CC.
P and CC.
Oh,
Acha,
PP. I said PP and CC.
wrong.
P and
Haven't
C.
haven't I told you how to make a gametes like this? You
Oh,
forgot
well,
that?
I thought you meant like the individual ones.
No, I told you character is one, but it is something like a dihybrid
Oh, okay, okay.
because of the complementary. They both are present together for performing the single performance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
There's four.
PC, 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 and PC, right?
Yeah.
And it should be like this. So
Same thing,
small.
but like lowercase, all of them. Something I would like. Something I want. A PC.
So don't you think they are completely same? All the gametes are completely same of this parent, and all the
Hmm?
parents are
Yeah.
complete. So one day I told you if all are same, so we can take one, and it
Yeah.
will be 16.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if they, I know time is going to be up. So this is
Oh
going to
no, no.
combine.
I was thinking here.
Okay, capital P, small p, capital C, small c, right? And it would be how many?
16.
Because this will combine with this will
Yeah,
combine with
yeah,
this.
yeah.
So
Hmm.
total 16. Can you just tell its phenotype? This is the genotype.
Ratio?
If ratio, no. Phenotype. Not ratio. What is the color? What is that flower color?
Purple, 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 purple,
Purple or white purple together? You have to
purple,
think.
purple.
Yes. Why? Because P and capital C both are present.
Yes.
So it should be purple. I told you it is a complementary gene, right? Because here something is different, right? One gene should be attached with the other. Okay, it is total 16. So can we taken
Hmm.
out at least two from these?
Yeah.
Now, can you form the gamete? Now they become parent.
Okay. Hmm.
Can you tell me first gamete?
PP and CC.
What are you doing? Gamete should be half. PPCC, what is that?
Oh,
I told you gamete is found like this.
PC then?
Capital and small word, please use that.
Oh, capital P, capital C, lowercase p, lowercase c.
Okay. I mean together. If parent is of 4 allele, so gamete should be of only 2 allele, na?
Yeah.
So why are you saying capital P, capital C, small c, small c? What is the next gamete?
Yeah, yeah. No. I, okay.
Tell me the
Maybe
next next gamete.
lowercase p, lowercase c.
Lowercase p, lowercase c. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the other gamete?
Um. Lowercase p, uppercase c,
Okay.
and
Lowercase.
then big P, small c.
Can you again say that?
Big P, small c.
Okay. Now fine.
Okay,
Okay.
what? Okay, what? Okay, when I meant PC, I meant like big P, big C, and separately, and then
Okay.
PC, like small. Okay,
So
that's what I meant.
you were going to same thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So if this has such kind of gamete, so this also have the same kind of gamete because
Same,
it is
same,
same.
same thing. Same thing.
Okay. So now can you tell me? So we have to conduct a Punnett square right here
Oh, yeah.
again because it is
Yes.
total 16. Okay. Now you have to get. I told you one thing. It is a
Yes.
complementary. So if only
Yes.
only capital P is there and there is no capital C, so will it be purple?
No, there has to be two dominants there.
Okay.
Capital P and capital C has to be there. No, but okay, but first we can just like make the letters and then we can like analyze it from them.
Can you do this by yourself at home?
Yeah, yeah. Let
Okay.
me give me some time though. I can't just do it just like that. It's gonna take me a minute.
Okay. This is PP. It we write together PPCC.
Mhm.
This one and this one. So it is a purple or white.
Oh yeah, yeah. Purple.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Because both are present, so it is a complementary.
yes,
Okay. This should be. I'm writing something. Capital
yes.
P, small p, capital C, capital C. It is purple or white.
Purple, purple, purple.
Okay. This is capital P, small c.
It's not purple because it's not purple because
Other
both of
one
them
is
are
not
there.
present, right?
Yeah,
Completely.
it's white. It's white.
White. Because I told you in the complementary P should always remain with C. Then only
Yes.
performance will be good. So there is
Yeah.
no C. Okay, with that, capital P, small c. White or purple?
Mhm. Uh, white. White.
Because there is no capital C, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you are conducting this cross, so you will definitely get only the purple and some white only.
Mm-hmm.
So their ratio would be 9:7. Remember. Okay. So
Okay.
you can conduct a cross in the next class and I will come back and I will see. So this is known as the
Okay.
complementary gene allele, right? When they are complementing the effect of each other. When
Yes.
capital P is with capital C, then only it would be purple. And if it is
Yes.
not, then it will be white. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
this is the known as the complementary effect. Say it complementary effect.
Complementary effects.
So in the complementary effect, both the genes are together complementing the each other's effect. Okay, and they are
Yep.
giving a new character. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
rest of the topic we will discuss in our next class. So it's all for the today. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.